In today's video, I'll guide you on how you would be able to contact Facebook customer service. So let's get started. So first of all is that I'm gonna go and show you method one, and after that I'm gonna show you another method as an alternative, which is way faster. So first is that you want to log into your Facebook account. Once you're here in the web, you can also do this on mobile, by the way, is that you want to go here into your profile icon and just go here into help and support. And now you can go into report a problem, and then something went wrong, and then include and report so that you'd have logs and diagnostics included. And from here, you can go for allow or cancel, doesn't matter. If you think this screenshot would help you in explaining your site, then I highly suggest that you click on allow. And as for this one, I'm just going to remove this. And now you can choose an area. From here, you want to choose the area on which you are having trouble with here in Facebook. So, for example, you're having trouble with your Marketplace account, like maybe you're suspended from Marketplace. Then you can go for Marketplace in here. And then you can now input the details of your problem. Just start with a greeting, be polite, and be direct. You don't want to put too many details, like maybe you are inputting a paragraph that is too long. Make sure to be sweet, direct, and concise. And then once you're done, you can add screenshot or video to explain your details better so that Facebook would be able to understand it better, and click on submit once you're done. The only catch here is that you might have to do this every day until they respond, because based on my experience, they responded after a few times of me submitting a report in here and something went wrong. So yeah, that's it. And now another one is that Facebook doesn't really provide you a direct way for you to live chat on their Facebook support team, but they do provide a call. So how you can do that is by going into Google and go for Meta Pro Team right there. And then when you search for that, you'd have this link. So you want to click on that. And now from here, you can scroll down. And then from here, you'd be able to see meet the Meta Pro team, and then you could schedule a call with one of the professionals. And in here, you'd be able to get live help with troubleshooting, policy, billing, ad account issues, and many more. You could also go for your specific Facebook problems. So you can try in scheduling a call with one of the professionals right here. It would help if you would be more specific, like in the niche of the support team that you would be getting in a call with. So you can try scheduling in a call and see if they are available as of now or in your area. Thank you for watching, and that is basically it. See you in the next one.